Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use conditional formatting in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Open Excel 2007. Conditional formatting is an Excel feature that allows us to apply specific formatting to cells that meet certain criteria. It is most often used as color-based formatting to highlight, emphasize, or differentiate among data and information stored in a spreadsheet. In this tutorial, we are using an inventory list that tracks the number of items currently in stock and total sales. To apply highlight rules, select the range of values to which you want to apply a rule. In this, I want to highlight the item sales more than 50 from item 3 column. We can click and drag by pressing the left mouse button to select the values. Otherwise, simply click on the top where we get the arrow. After this, in home menu, come to styles group. In this, click on the arrow next to conditional formatting. We will get various options. Navigate to highlight cells rules, and we got a list of options: greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains a date occurring, and duplicate values. I'm selecting greater than. Then it will open greater than dialog box. In the box, please type the quantity, and after that click on the arrow. Here we can select our color preference. I want to select green fill with dark green text. Click on OK. Now it is highlighting the item sales more than 50. Similarly, come to conditional formatting. Navigate to highlight cells rules. In this, select less than. In this, I'm typing 51 and select a color preference. Click on OK. Then it will highlight the cells with specific color that are less than the value we entered. Similarly, if you want to track the employee details from specific city, highlight the city column. Again, come to conditional formatting. Navigate to highlight cells rules. In this, please select the option select that contains. In this, please enter specific text or words. I want to find the employees from Goa, and I want to apply the color light red fill with dark red text. Click OK, and we can also highlight the range of numbers in between specific numbers. Here I'm selecting total sales. Come to conditional formatting, navigate to highlight cells rules. In this, please select the option between. Now I want to find out the total sales in between 250 and 290. Click on OK. Now it is highlighting only the cells in between this limit. After this, if you want to find out the top 3 sales averages or bottom 3 sales averages, we can create top or bottom rules. Here I'm selecting average sales. Come to conditional formatting, navigate to top or bottom rules. In this, please select the suitable option. I'm selecting top 10 items. We can change the value. I want to find only top 3 sales averages. Click on OK. And in conditional formatting, we can also apply data bars, which applies a visual bar within each cell. For this, I'm selecting stock in hand. Come to conditional formatting, navigate to data bars. Here we will get various options. I want to select first option, and the length of the bar relates to the value of the cell to other cell values in the selected range. After this, in conditional formatting, we have color scales, which are similar to data bars, but instead of representing the relationship by the length of a bar, color scales do so with color gradients. First, select the column you want to apply. I'm selecting stock pending. Come to conditional formatting, navigate to color scales. Here we will get various options. If we select green, yellow, and red, green is assigned to highest value and red to the lowest, and with a range of colors in between. Similarly, to call attention to important data and relate cells to one another, we can apply icon sets. For this, please select a data range. Again, come to conditional formatting, navigate to icon sets, and here we will get various options. I want to select first option, in which green indicates high value, yellow for middle, and red for low values. After this, if you want to edit and delete conditional formatting rules, come to conditional formatting. In this, please select the option manage rules. Then we will get manage rules dialog box. We can choose the option to limit this modification. We can select current selection, this worksheet, sheet 2, sheet 3, and table 1. I'm selecting this worksheet. Then it will show all the rules we prepared. To edit a rule, click the rule you want to change. In this, I want to highlight top 5 rather than top 3 that currently highlighted. After selecting the rule, click on edit rule and come to the value, and here please enter the value you required. Click on OK, apply, OK. Now I got the top 5 average sales. And if you want to delete a rule, come to conditional formatting, select manage rules. In this, select this worksheet, and I want to delete icon set. Click on delete rule. apply, OK. Then the icon set rule is removed from the worksheet. And after this, if you want to remove all the rules we created, come to conditional formatting. In this, navigate to clear rules, and here we can clear rules from selected cells or clear rules from entire sheet. I want to delete rules from entire sheet, so I'm selecting this. Then all the rules that we have created will be removed from the worksheet. Like this, we can use conditional formatting in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.